Shopping is evolving, and QR codes are leading the way. With QR Code Kit, retailers and brands are transforming how customers discover, interact, and engage, right at the point of interest. Want to give customers instant access to product pages? Use the website QR to link directly to your e-commerce platform, detailed specs, or promotional campaigns. Want to build rich, interactive product experiences? The landing page QR lets you create a mobile-first page with videos, testimonials, specs, maps, and buttons, all without coding. Perfect for in-store displays or packaging. Want to grow brand loyalty? Use the social media QR to link shoppers directly to your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more, all in one sleek page. Encourage follows, shares, and reviews. Want to share care guides, manuals, or lookbooks? The File QR lets customers instantly download PDFs or documents to their phones. Use it for sustainable packaging, in-store flyers, or product inserts. Update files anytime, no reprinting needed. Got a shopping app? Use the App Store QR to direct customers to the right app store based on their device. From product discovery to post-purchase engagement, QR Code Kit empowers brands to deliver smart, seamless, and measurable shopping experiences.